The development journey of the Sony PlayStation 5 serves as a standout example of project management in action. It entailed orchestrating a team with various expertise, navigating technological advancements, and conquering unforeseen global hurdles. This piece delves into the project management strategies utilised, the obstacles encountered, and how Sony's project team effectively tackled issues to bring forth an innovative gaming console. Project commencement, establishing goals and scope. Right from the start, Sony had a vision for the PlayStation 5. To craft a cutting-edge console that would transform gaming through exceptional performance, speed, and immersive gameplay experiences. The initial phase of the project involved defining objectives, creating advanced hardware capable of supporting 4K gaming and ray tracing, introducing a high-speed SSD to reduce loading times, improving user interaction through a novel controller design, and ensuring backward compatibility with PlayStation 4 titles. Project approach. Agile was adopted to enable adaptability and iterative progress. This proved vital in a technology venture where swift prototyping and feedback mechanisms played a key role in enhancing both hardware and software elements. Planning, allocating resources and managing timelines. During the planning stage, Sony allocated resources, created budgets, and set schedules for the project. Due to its scale, Sony had to collaborate with different departments such as hardware engineering, software development, supply chain management, and marketing. Here are some challenges they faced. First, technological uncertainty. Developing custom hardware like the AMD Zen 2 CPU and RDNA 2 GPU required teamwork with AMD and continuous improvements. Then, global supply chain management. Ensuring availability of components from global suppliers became a major challenge, especially with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. To tackle these challenges, Sony adopted a risk management strategy to predict delays and supply chain disruptions. They made contingency plans and maintained flexible supplier contracts to reduce the risk of significant delays. The use of an integrated master schedule, or IMS, helped in coordinating activities across teams and ensuring alignment with the project timeline. In terms of execution, as they transitioned into the execution phase, efforts were focused on creating and testing prototypes, refining system architecture, and addressing issues. One key problem they encountered was heat management in the console due to high-performance hardware generating excess heat. To solve this issue, the engineering team utilized a design thinking approach. They explored ways to keep things cool, eventually deciding on using a large heatsink with a special liquid metal compound for effective heat dissipation. This solution went through testing with multiple prototypes, highlighting the importance of maintaining quality in the project. Issue: the impact of COVID-19. The challenge brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted supply chains and required teams to adapt to remote work, posing a potential setback to the project's timeline. Resolution: Sony adjusted management protocols by improving their communication strategies to keep all parties in sync despite working from afar. They also expedited the transition to collaboration tools, which helped sustain productivity and workflow. Additionally, Sony solved a potential disruption crisis by adjusting schedules and securing alternative supply channels. Monitoring and control, upholding quality standards and addressing stakeholder expectations. Continuous monitoring and control were crucial throughout the project to ensure that the PlayStation 5 met its performance benchmarks and quality standards. Challenges: ensuring compatibility. Ensuring that PlayStation 4 games functioned properly on the console required extensive testing and adjustments. Managing stakeholder expectations. With high levels of anticipation from consumers and investors, effectively managing expectations was key. Resolution. Sony employed integration and testing approaches to detect and resolve issues early in the development phase. Regular meetings with stakeholders and providing updates were instrumental in managing expectations, ensuring the project stayed on track. Wrap up: a successful launch and activities post-launch. The launch of the PlayStation 5 in November 2020 was an achievement after years of hard work. Despite facing stock shortages due to high demand, the launch was mostly successful. Lessons learned post-launch: Sony remains committed to conducting implementation reviews to collect feedback, learn valuable lessons and apply them to future projects. This strategy ensures enhancement in their product development processes. In conclusion, the development of the Sony PlayStation 5 exemplifies the importance of project management methodologies. By embracing principles of effective risk management and innovative problem-solving approaches, Sony successfully navigated through major challenges and delivered a groundbreaking product. This case study underscores the role of adaptability, ongoing communication, and quality management for achieving project success among project managers.